Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Live with Abba. Today I'm sharing a quick and super effective DIY recipe that you can use as a pre-poo treatment before your wash day. If your natural hair gets really tangled or dry before shampooing, this is going to be a game changer. I've seen a number of natural hair influencers use this gel and I decided to give it a try. For this recipe, I'm using very simple, nourishing ingredients that are very easy to come by. For me, I use 4 tablespoons of flaxseed and I added 1 cup of water to a pot, and that's all you need. Once it starts boiling, you'll notice that the mixture thickens up slowly. Now listen, at this stage you might be tempted to throw in more flaxseed because the gel looks too runny. But don't be deceived, this gel thickens up a lot as it cools down, so you have to give it time. After boiling it for about 5 to 7 minutes, I strained the gel while it was still warm because it's much easier this way, but you also need to be very careful. I added just a little extra virgin olive oil to a bottle before transferring the gel into my applicator bottle. I'm learning to work my hair all the time in small sections just so I can pay more attention to each part of my hair. The slip of this gel is so amazing. It makes finger detangling so much easier and it adds a ton of moisture to the hair. You can use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush if you prefer, but honestly, finger detangling with this gel works so well. I don't even know why I was using a comb and a brush and a comb and a brush throughout this process. The difference that this gel makes is so clear. The side that the gel is in is very smooth, defined, and super moisturized. It just melts the tangles away. In this video, I had just unbraided my 6 weeks braids and I needed to wash my hair, and that's when I decided to try this pre-poo. So you can tell the difference so clearly. After I applied the gel to all the sections of my hair, I put my hair back into twist and I wrapped it in a cling film and allowed it to sit for about an hour. This gave it time to really penetrate my strands and soften everything up before I shampooed my hair. This DIY flaxseed gel is gentle, natural, and affordable, and it actually works. Like, that's the most important part for me, that it actually works. From now, I don't see myself detangling my hair any other way. In fact, I look forward to wash days because I know there's an easy way to detangle my hair without causing so much breakage. I love how it makes the detangling process stress-free. If you are looking for a pre-pot that is easy to make, gives great slip, and helps prevent breakage, this is definitely worth trying. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried flaxseed gel or you plan to, or maybe I've influenced you to give it a try. If you enjoyed this video to the end, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. See you in the next one. Bye, and continue loving your natural hair.